If you're experiencing approval delays on Amazon Prime, there are several steps you can take to expedite the process. Follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your account status. Ensure that your Amazon account is in good standing. Look for any notifications or issues that may be affecting your approval process. Step 2. Review submission guidelines. Carefully review the submission guidelines for the content you are trying to get approved. Make sure you have met all requirements to avoid unnecessary delays. Step 3. Contact customer support. Reach out to Amazon's customer support for assistance. Provide them with details about your submission and ask for updates on the approval status. Step 4. Resubmit if necessary. If you find that your submission did not meet the guidelines, make the necessary changes and resubmit your content. Double-check all aspects to ensure compliance. Step 5. Follow up regularly. After resubmitting, keep following up with customer support to stay informed about your approval status. Regular communication can help speed up the process. By following these steps, you can effectively address approval delays on Amazon Prime. Stay proactive and keep communication open for the best results.